Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. First of all, open a link which is in the description. As you open a link, you can see the dashboard like this: peephemier.io, peephemier.io. Listing date confirmed October 17, pre-sale ending soon. So grab your tokens before it's too late. Do your own research before doing any investment. It's not a financial advice. This video is just for entertainment or educational purpose only. First of all, we can see Peep Humor logo and there the menu options about how to buy tokenomics roadmap, FAQs and staking. Join their official channels to get the latest updates about this token. Peep Hammer L2 blockchain deep in the dankest corners of the internet where memes rule supreme. Peep Hammer has found the reaction a layer 2 blockchain designed to end all blockchain flaws. Peep Him pre-sale ending soon in 12 days, 2 hours and 47 minutes until upcoming listing news. Total USDT raise is around $18 million out of $19 million. If you want to purchase this token, just connect your wallet, choose your coin, enter your amount you want to swap. Like in exchange of 1 Ethereum, we will get around 237k peep p him. Okay, now I am become L2, the destroyer of gas fees. Token audit is done by Solid Proof. Invite your friends by just clicking on invite and you will get your invitation code. Share it with your friend. As your friend buy tokens, you'll also get tokens for your invitation. Top exchange listing secured. Peep Premier is officially confirmed for a launch on major global exchanges including Meme, Max Global, Lbank, HTX, Uniswap, Bitmart, XT.com, CoinStore, plus 20 more Tier 1 exchanges from US and globe. Trusted by Binance, Morningstar, CoinMarketCap, The News Crypto, Benzinga. The first ever Peep meme coin with an AI powered yield optimization protocol. About Peep Premier, amid the chaos of gas wars, closed networks, and drug pulled dreams, Pip Hemier saw the internet's dankest strength, right? Meme held back by blockchain's weakest links. His answer: Pip Hemier designed his own layer 2 that's fast, scalable, and as contagious as the memes it powers. Hope so you understand right here. The blockchain ecosystem. DEX swap tokens on our lightning fast decentralized exchange bridge. Move between chains with PEEP secure bridge solution. Rollups, follow transactions, and verify everything with our block explorer. Staking the all new token launchpad that allows you to launch and buy meme coin in just a few clicks. Atomic Him IRFI. Farm yield without constant monitor with the help of AI. This is an Peep Bridge. Peep Bridge is the ultimate cross-chain. I already told you about this cross-chain reactor, making it easy to move assets between different blocks using a lock and mint system. Tokens are locked on one chain and newly minted on another, ensuring fast, secure, and seamless transfers. Launching a token, believing in the atomic frog father, Peep Exchange deliver explosive benefits: zero fees, no listing cost, fueling liquidity. Top security, nuclear grade access protection, cross chain bridge, effortless cross chain transfers, legitimacy scammers get vaporized, only trusted tokens survive, fair and honest listings. If your project deserves a support, it gets one. No tricks, no favoritism. And if you need support, the Atomic Frog Father is here to guide you. Just click apply now to apply for yours. Market overview: the blockchain market is experiencing significant volatility across various sectors with sharp declines in AI infrastructure, RWA, real world assets, layer 2 solutions, and DeFi, decentralized finances. While the DeFi sector remains resilient, maybe it's a sign. AI infrastructure, RE complex, negative 20%, Swarm mode, negative 22%, Beacon protocol, negative 12%, cluster, negative 42%, virtual, negative 62%. When the market crumbles, Atomic Hemfire turns the chaos into profit. Atomic Hemfire AI powered yield optimization, AI rebalancing, time efficient earn FEEM as bonuses. You can earn PEHEM by depositing into any strategies as bonuses. 1000x or 100x. PEHEM already decided. Now it's your turn because it's going to launch on October 17. Here is a listing update. First listing in Uniswap, HTX, Albank, Bitmart, and Max Global. Second listings on xt.com, CoinStore. Listing date confirmed. It will list on October 17, 2025. Third listings are coming soon. Why do people say about Peep Premier? Here are the reviews you can read from here. Here are the videos. You can also watch videos by just clicking on them. What creators says about PEHEM. If you want to buy, I already told you about it. Just connect your wallet and fuel your wallet. Choose the amount, buy and stake your coins. Here is the tokenomics. Pre-sale 40%, marketing 10%, liquidity 12%, staking a community 33%, L2 inventory 5%. Hope so you understand this video. And the roadmap is right here in phase 1, theoretical foundation, phase 2, chain reaction, phase 3, Trinity test, phase 4, mushroom cloud, and there is no phase 5. OMG. If you have any questions, click here to get your answer. Hope so you understand the video. If you understand the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.